Hey guys, welcome back. So I was up this morning practicing my volume lash fans because I could not sleep, so I figured why not get up and practice my craft. Like the rest of you, we're all home during quarantine and social distancing, so you might as well make that time productive and do things that you can't usually do because of work or because you have other things going on. So I'm practicing my lash techniques. Right now I'm practicing my volume fans. So I decided why not record and show the world the technique that I use to create my volume fans, because you never know, it might work for someone else who's struggling with making volume fans. What is volume fans, right? Volume fans is a technique where you apply 2 to 8 fanned out lashes to each individual lash on your client to give you a more full and fluffier look. So I'm going to show you how I make my fans. So the tools I will be using is this tweezer, which is like a curved tweezer, and the tweezer that I usually use to isolate my client's lashes. So I have my spoolie, and what I would do is usually I would prime the lash extensions, but I'm not going to do that right now because I'm just practicing. So I would prime the lash extension and with my spoolie brush through just like that. Then what I would do is take my tweezer, and you want to start right here at the lash band. Align my tweezer up. I hope my tweezer is different. Align my tweezers up with the lash band, just like so. Get a nice amount of lashes. And then I pull them forward. I take this tweezer. I take my tweezer, this, and I pinch the end to fan them out like this. And as you see, you have a nice fan. Not to fit in glue. Like so. Pull some lashes forward. Just like this. Now I'm just going to show you, but I'm not going to keep talking. All right, guys, sorry my camera died. So instead of waiting for it to charge, I'm gonna use my phone. See, with the lashes that I use, most of the time when you pull them off, they're already fanned. You see? So you can leave it like this if you want. Dip it in your glue and add it. But during quarantine, this is the best time to practice things that you want to get good at, get better at. And that's what I'm doing this morning.